as a for sale by owner, and none of your people are licensed real estate brokers. Is that safe to say, or do you have any?
No, for by a time, sure, they are not correct.
Okay, so that means they cannot consult, for instance, on price for a seller, can they?
No, absolutely not. And that's one of the things that owners really want to hear, okay? And owners really push my reps. I'm actively involved in my training process, especially with all this. Owners will push reps to try to tell them, okay, without doing any research. So we have a set of 3 questions that you can't guide anyone on a high price, because if I told someone their property is worth 30 grand, that's really bad, right? That's what a lot
Right.
of people were doing. And if I told them that it's worth 2 grand, that's still pricing their property. Okay,
Right.
so either way, you can't do. So we have a series of questions that we actually straight out say to owners that, hey, this is a tagline exactly. You have to understand we're a for sale by owner advertising company. It's illegal for us to price your property or give you a time of sale. And that one cent, that's after we ask 3 questions. How much would you like to get right away? If the person tells us, that's what we advertise it for, okay?
Okay.
And then how much would you like to get? How much did you pay? Are you looking to get what you paid for it? And if they say, oh, that'd be great, move on. But if they keep pushing the rep, which most people do, we simply say, we're for sale by owner advertising to make sure they know that we're not a broker. And it's illegal for us to price the property and give you a time of sale.